How to use OneSearch. OneSearch is a tool that searches almost all of the resources that are available in the E&H library. It is a great place for you to start your research. Just keep in mind it may not be the only tool you'll need to find. Start on the library's homepage. In the search box, enter your topic keyword or search term, like Appalachian history for example, and then select Search. In the results, you will notice lots of different types of resources: videos, books, periodicals, and academic, often called scholarly, journal articles. Underneath the search bar, you can find tools by selecting all filters to limit your search. Note that the default search is already limited to what is available in the library. You can also limit by type of publication or by date range. When you click on a title in your results, you will see more information about that resource. Below the title and author, you will see how to access the full text. This page also has the information you need when you're building citations. To the right of the title are tools for using the resource. And we recommend that you always select Share and then email resources to yourself for easy access later. If you need help with using OneSearch, please come see us or contact us for further assistance.